how to play CS2 Faceit. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play CS2 on Faceit the right way. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your web browser, head over to faceit.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the sign-up process. After you're logged in, you should see a window similar to what I'm showing here right now. Now, the next step is to click on the play button. Before you jump into a match, make sure your CS2 Steam account is properly connected to Faceit. There should be a simple connect button, just click it, and connect with your Steam account, and authorize your account. Once that's set up, you'll get a screen where you can either invite your friends or join a match solo. One thing to note here is that my Steam account doesn't have Prime status for CS2, so that I can't be able to connect. But follow up the steps to connect and play. If you have friends to play with, invite them to your party. Otherwise, you can just hit play to start finding a match. Keep in mind, if you're using the free version of Faceit, you won't be able to ban maps before the match starts. The system will pick maps in a fixed order. But if you upgrade to a premium plan, you'll get extra features like map banning, better matchmaking options, and more. You can compare the different plans easily by clicking on the Compare Plans button inside the app to see what suits you best. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can start playing CS2 on Faceit the easy way. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.